usually just hold him back.
Yeah, do whatever you normally would do. Then I get a better reading of how you normally let people in. Oh no, this is not for you. This is for you.
Sit down.
Come on. So is that what he normally does?
Yeah, he's just so excited.
Yeah, it's
Calm. He does calm for a little bit. I think it's like, if you don't greet him, he just gets like, he gets worse.
Yeah.
Until you stroke him, he just goes crazy.
Yeah, I'm not greeting him because he's headbutting me. He's jumping up and being alright, Divvy.
Sit. Because he knows he's not supposed to have it, he gets like worse. Come on.
So what would he do if you just took it off him?
He'd properly go for me.
Properly, would he?
Yeah. He's done it before now.
Go again.
Right, Rex. Sit.
Good.
Right. Sit. Right then. Come on. Sit.
Now what you're doing there is focusing too much on the sit. Your object, the thing you're having trouble with is the leave. So the second he leaves, you then issue the command or just say, good.
Yeah.
Good.
Good boy.
So your only mistake there was you give him that ball before you got that ball, because what he would... Good.
Good
He's
boy.
automatically sitting for you now.
Ready.
There you go. So ready is your leave command.
Sit.
So when he ignores, he doesn't get it until he does. Good. Until he does your last command, which was sit. Good.
Boy.
Collect that one. And he's not diving for the other ball. There you go. He's on it now.
Good boy. Ready.
He likes this now. So you focus for now with you just on him dropping one ball. So when he drops one, then you say ready and chuck the other one. And then we build him up to the eye contact once he's got that you're doing the same game. There. Good. He's sussed it.
Ready?
Good.
No.
So now you can build on the...
Ragnar. Down. 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 Get down. Come on. Down.
So there I would touch his bum. Now when you're getting a dog off the furniture, the trick is not to drag them or shove them.
Yeah.
You have to get them to move. This is why you probably need some biscuits or something.
To lead him off.
Goodbye. Yes. And then he would get a treat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're leading him off. As you lead him off, you can say off or down, whatever you think. If